Welcome back again to the In Your Favor show. I'm so excited that you joined us. You could have tuned into any show, but I'm glad you joined us on the In Your Favor show. Call one of your friends, your nephews, your cousin, and tell them to the Urban Houston Network, and they can stream live right now. Just go to the website, urbanhoustonnetwork.com. I like to start with a quick prayer, so I want to say a quick prayer. God, we thank you for this show, and I pray that everyone that is tuned in would grab some valuable information that would impact their lives in a positive way. Amen. Thank you once. And I've got some amazing guests today. You thought last show was good last week, so we've got some even better, not better attorneys. I'm not going to say that because my guest last week was awesome, but we got women power in the house. So I've got two of the bomb attorneys in Houston that are right here in the house, and they've got some information that you are going to love. It's going to be valuable to you, so stay tuned. And I want to introduce you to some of my personal friends. So it's going to be a fun show because we actually go crawfish and crabs together, so we actually are going to do a show. It's our first time doing this. So I want to introduce you my friends Barbara and Lanease. Hi. Welcome, ladies.
Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you for having
yes.
us.
It's been a pleasure already.
Great.
I want you to tell my audience what the name of your firm is, your law firm.
Well, my name is Lanease Fuller, and this is Barbara Hudson, and we're with Fuller Hudson Law Firm. We're
so
attorneys at law.
Different people.
Two different people. Fuller Hudson, not an individual.
Right.
It's the combination of our names.
Yes, that's awesome. So how did you guys meet?
Well, we met over 20 plus years ago working at a show all project.
Okay.
And there were students working on this huge project, and we all worked together. And when I came back from California, Lanease was practicing, and I got off from work with Lanease, and we've been together ever since.
Wow. And I have to commend you because 20 plus years is a long for a sisterhood relationship, you know, to last. And you guys, you laugh together, you play together, and you work together all day, and you accomplish things in the community.
We do. We've been together for a long time. And not only do we laugh, socialize, but we also pray together.
Awesome.
Yeah, we're also sisters. We're Christians. We're sisters in Christ as well.
Yes.
So we came together for carcrash.com.
Yes.
Barbara Hudson and myself, we've been practicing individually for a long time.
For a long time, right? You guys don't want to, you're trying to get around your age, but that's fine. Let me just ask you all, you have a law firm. What do you specialize in?
Well, I don't really specialize. I'm not board certified when you get a specialization.
Okay, so I can't really say what you specialize in.
Right.
Okay.
What I do is I practice mainly criminal, personal injury, and probate law.
Okay.
And Lanease and I at one time had a title company, so we've worked in the title area around.
Okay, so cool. And Lanease, what do you?
Well, I mainly handle personal injury, family cases, and civil litigation.
Okay.
So we have a wealth of knowledge and wealth of experience. With the combined years, it's over 50 years experience.
Wow.
So we can bring a lot to the table. We try to service people and help people that may have been involved in a accident. And not only car accident, but truck accidents, all personal injury, burns, any serious 18-wheeler accidents, slip and fall accidents. We handle all different types of personal
and we'll touch
injuries.
a little bit on all of those, but I want you guys to give your information on in case there's somebody right now that's watching. Your cousin in jail, or you think you may be going to jail. These ladies can help you. They've got, you heard them, over 50 years experience combined. You got legal, you litigation, you got insurance, you got all type. I think there's nothing you guys can't handle, right?
Right.
Between the two of you.
Someone that can help you.
Or know someone.
Absolutely.
So give your information in case somebody needs it now. We want where they can contact you, or number and your address.
Well, we have two numbers we're giving out. 844-527-5727. That's carcrash.com.
Okay.
And also you can call us at 713-621-1925.
Now that's the office number.
That's the office number. Well, both of them ring at the office.
Okay, so give that office number out one more time.
713. What is it? 621-1925.
19. You sound like me. I do that all the time. It's like my number. Wait. Yes, I do it all the time. So. But anyway, so they can. Are you guys available 24/7?
We are available.
So on a Sunday afternoon.
Yes, you can call me or Lanease. You call
Okay.
that car crash number.
Okay.
You will get a live.
Not an operator.
Not an operator. You will
Okay.
reach me or Lanease. We're available 24/7.
Okay. So let me ask you, what over the years you guys have done a lot. What has been like one of your hardest cases? Something that's been like touching to you, or one of your most difficult cases that you've had to deal with? And I know you mentioned something to me earlier before the show.
Well, actually, all cases are difficult because no case is ever the same. We try to take pride in, all of the cases, no matter how big or how small. We try to treat our clients special, and we do give them personal attention. So even I would much rather say the most minimal car accident case, we give truly special attention. Sometimes they tend to need more medical attention sometimes than people that's been involved in a big major accident.
Right.
We give them just as much attention. Yes,
as the rest.
As the rest.
That's one of the things Lanease and I do pride ourselves in, is that you just don't talk to our legal assistants, but we're available. We'll get on the phone. We will talk to clients. We hear a lot of times people say, I've never even met the.
A lot of people don't.
How can you go to an attorney and never meet him or never see him or talk to her? I think that is just so unfair if a person does that.
Right, and a lot of times you'll call these offices and you'll get an assistant for like a week before it channels down, and then they get to you. So you guys have a personal approach.
Definitely, very personal.
And
very personal.
And you feel that actually plays a big role in your law firm.
I think it does, because a lot of our cases are repeat cases, and they're
good.
referrals. Definitely, referrals are very important to us. So we do a good job because, we talk to people that know us, that know someone, that feels comfortable in working with us, and that's a lot to us. We give it our personal attention. So we look forward to people just contacting us, because we treat you like family as well.
And that's good. That's what you need. And then you're ladies, you're women, so
Absolutely.
we had more of a person,
Right.
too. So that's why I said we've got these are two of the best attorneys in Houston. And not one thing that they can't do. They can definitely direct you to someone that can. But I think between the two of y'all, you all got it.
We typically do have it. And we get it done.
Yes, and you're expanding.
That's our slogan. We get it done.
Slogan. Okay. Get it done.
Yeah, absolutely.
Now, we talked about all types of insurance things that you do, and I know that's one of the things that ties in with your new project, I would say. Insurance, life insurance. What type of insurance do you guys recommend? I know people have what's legally required. What type of legal insurance is required?
Well, actually, automobile insurance is what I think people should pay more attention to when they're involved in a car accident. The legal liability is that they have liability insurance. And
what if they don't? What happens?
If they don't have liability insurance, then they can be ticketed, and they would be given a ticket for no insurance, and they're going to would have to pay the price for that. Really,
now
they would get a citation, and they would have to address that. But the purpose of insurance is because when an accident happens, you have all of these expenses that are associated with it, and most people don't have the resources to do that. So that's what insurance is for.
It's to cover you.
It covers you.
But one of the things I encourage people to do is when they purchase insurance, talk to their agent, because most people come in our office saying, I have full coverage. What is full coverage?
They think they have
full coverage, and then they find out they don't have uninsured motorists. They find out they don't have PIP, they don't have rental car insurance, and they are just out. So I just want people to know that when they purchase insurance, ask the agent, what am I purchasing? Ask questions. Because people say, I have PIP, and they're like, what is PIP? PIP is personal injury protection. It's for you while you're traveling in your car, you and everyone associated with you. It's $2,500, it may be $5,000. I just looked at my policy and I saw I had $10,000. And I was glad to know.
Yes, right. A PIP, right?
And I actually have a client that has $100,000 in PIP.
Okay.
And
PIP.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
That's quite a bit.
Right, and that's what you want to pay on a monthly basis.
Right,
And it does. A lot of people, they do go to get insurance. They want to the least expensive,
Right,
and the
right.
cheapest. And sometimes the agent will say, well, you're fine, you have enough for coverage. So
And
they
they
think
just do that to get you off. You know, they don't really
to get you out so they can move on to the next person.
Right.
It's very important to know what you have. And if you don't have PIP, or if you refuse PIP, you should sign for that, that you've refused it, because legally the insurance agent does have to offer that to you.
Okay.
And you have to know what you're refusing and what you're rejecting.
Oh, yes. And a lot of people don't pay attention to the
They
fine
don't
lines,
No,
right?
they don't. They really don't.
That's
Do
very
you guys
important.
work in particular with an insurance company?
No,
that
we
you guys?
work against all insurance companies.
Okay.
I mean, all states, farmers, nationwide, you name it, travelers. You know, we work to get our clients the best possible deal, compensation for their loss. You know, whether it's a on-the-job injury, car accident, a slip and fall, like Ms. Fuller said, we even take on slip and falls.
Slip and fall. So for those that may be just tuning in, let me just get your information one more time, get it out there so people can, and you're going to start expanding Facebook. Are you guys on Facebook?
We
Yes,
are
we
on
are.
Facebook.
Okay. And what is it? Is it under Fuller and what is it
It's
under?
carcrash.com.
Okay.
So, and it's interactive. They can put their information in and
Okay.
contact us.
So your
Carcrash.com.
contact number now, that office number, tell the audience one more time what that is.
It's 844-527-5727.
Okay.
And that actually spells out car crash.
It's our car
does.
crash,
Car
okay.
crash
With
with
the
a
K.
K.
With the K.
With
a
K.
K.
So who came up, okay, and we're going to elaborate more when we come in for the next session, but who actually came up with this car crash thing? This is like your new baby, right?
Baby.
It's your
That's
new
our baby.
baby.
It's a wonderful collaboration. We have a lot of people to thank for that, and I'm going
Okay.
to let Ms. Hudson explain that.
Okay.
Why you gonna leave that on me?
No. We'll elaborate, but I just want to know who actually came
With
up
the
with
name?
You. The name is unique.
You know, our legal assistant actually came up with that name during the
Okay.
Christmas holidays. We were at a Christmas party, and we've been trying.
I was at that party.
At that
Yeah,
party.
I
We were
was.
at that
just sitting there
party.
trying to
We were
come
at
up
that
with
party.
something. You know, Lanease and I have been together for so many years, and you know, we said we're going to take our advertising dollars and we're going to combine them.
Yes,
you know?
yes.
And when we came up with joining forces together, we needed a name. So William Shepard, our legal assistant, came up with car crash, and I thought that was ridiculous. I'm like,
Really?
wow. I hated the name at first.
Car crash.
Then I went home that night.
We thought about
we thought
it.
about it.
Yes, yes.
We
You kind of
thought
just
about
soaked in, and so you guys took the next legal steps, which you
Of course.
and you collaborated, and then because we're gonna end out the session, and you're actually gonna see the commercial. You guys put a lot of work into that.
It's a wonderful commercial.
Yes.
We're doing a major PR segment
Yes.
where we're doing cable, we're doing radio shows, TV shows like this. So we're trying to get the word out because we want people
Right.
to know that we're there to help them.
So that number spells out car
It does.
And the
844 car crash with a K.
with both.
With both Ks.
Yes, K is with the cars with the K, and crash is with the
Absolutely.
Yeah, both of them.
And the name, the song is really cool. And we'll talk about that because we'll get, I'm sure you guys are going to dedicate that to a special person.
Oh,
Absolutely.
Yes,
Absolutely.
Okay.
We'll talk when we come back. We'll go, when we leave from this, you guys will actually see the commercial and what they did, how long you guys worked on it. What was the most part you enjoyed about it?
I think the most fun was when Mike Brazil presented it to us. We were at a round table. We had a round table discussion, and we were just bouncing ideas off each other. And he surprised us. He surprised me. I can say that. He surprised me, and I'm like, oh my God, really? And
I did. I liked it.
she liked it. I didn't like it. But the general consensus.
Right.
They
I thought it was
overruled me.
very
They
catchy.
They overruled me. So more people liked it than disliked it. So it's just sticking in our heads, and we love it. It's done really well for us.
And that's what you want. When somebody gets in an accident, you want them to be able to go to that phone.
Absolutely.
And the
And
number is
remember us.
car crash. And so what's the number one more time? And we're going to put it up on the screen for you guys to have it. Whatever information you don't know, follow their Facebook page and also
Please.
follow our Facebook page. Follow me on Facebook, Zoe Anderson, the In Your Favor Show. We're on Instagram at In Your Favor Network. On Twitter, In Your Favor Net 1. I have a great social media guy. We're probably on something else. We're getting ready to start Periscope and YouTube Live and all of that, so you can catch up with us. So if there's information that these fine young women that have all the information. If it's something that you don't know, you can definitely follow my Facebook, or my information is there. So you're going to see the car crash commercial right now that they put all their effort. That I think is really neat. So remember this number, okay? Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Thank you.